Here are the ingredients we need. We need our saltfish, breadfruit, assorted bell peppers, scallion, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and ackee. And the ackee I have is the one in the tin, and it's from Grace. You can use any brand of your choice. Peel the breadfruit. So we're gonna peel the breadfruit. Slice your breadfruit. Add some all-purpose seasoning in the water. I'm gonna put it to soak for 15 minutes in water. So just add some all-purpose seasoning and just put the breadfruit to soak. And it helps with the folding of the breadfruit. When you fold it, it won't break. It is 15 minutes now. Dry your breadfruit, fold it, and put a stick at the bottom and a stick at the top to hold the breadfruit together. And I'm gonna remove it and stuff it with ackee and saltfish. I wash the saltfish and I place it in the pot for 30 minutes. So now that it's placed in the pot for 30 minutes, I'm gonna pour the water off and put the saltfish to cook. The saltfish is finished soaking, so I pour off that water and put some more water on it. So I'm gonna boil it now for 15 minutes. Boil with the cover open so it don't boil over the stove, so the water don't boil over the stove. Wash and cut the ackee tin and drain the water from the ackee tin and put the ackee in this boiling water. Just for 5 minutes because the ackee is already cooked. So you just place the ackee in the boiling water for 5 minutes. The ackee is already cooked. So the boiling water is here. Just pour it in there and let it stay for 5 minutes. Add a 1/4 cup of oil to the pan. Saute your vegetable for 4 minutes. We are adding our flaked saltfish. The saltfish is nicely flaked, so I'm just gonna add it to the pot. So the saltfish is all mixed in. So I am going to add the ackee. It is smelling up the place. This one is smelling up the place. This ackee and saltfish is gonna be so good. But I have to add some black pepper on the top. Look at it. You just take your time. Don't break the ackee. I don't like when the ackee break. Some people like when the ackee is like Some people like when the ackee is like scrambled egg. Some people like when the ackee is scrambled egg, but I don't like. I like the ackee whole. But a lot of people say they like it when it's scrambled like scrambled egg, like you break it up like scrambled egg. But I like when the ackee is whole, and it's, you know, so I don't break up the ackee. I just take my time, and then I'm gonna, as I like it whole. And this ackee that is smelling up the place. The saltfish is smelling up the place. I'm just gonna chop it off with some black pepper. Just put some black pepper over it. Stuff your taco. You're gonna stuff your tacos. Just stuff them with any amount you want of the saltfish. There you have it, family, your ackee and saltfish breadfruit taco. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.